How to sign in on your Imo application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in or create your account on your Imo application. So first thing, make sure you have downloaded your Imo application from Play Store, and once you do that you will be heading over to this application, this interface. And once you're inside here, you just simply have to click your country location, your country name, and enter your phone number according to your country. So let me just do this. And once you enter your country phone number, simply click on done and click on OK. Recheck your number, make sure it's correct, and simply allow everything over here. Just allow your logs, call logs, and it will send you a 4-digit verification code on your device. So simply wait for some time for it to come. As you can see, it has popped up on my screen. So simply type in your 4-digit verification code and enter your full name after this, just like this. And after that, simply click on right button at the top, and you can also add a profile picture. You can skip it for now and simply allow your contacts, just like this. And that is exactly how you can easily successfully create your account and sign into your Imo application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.